Silence speaks louder than rules. Don't study today. Just watch. Your brain knows what to do. Let's start.
Pull out the chair. Sit down. Wipe the desk. Turn on the lamp. Open the laptop. Plug in the charger. Type an email. Click the mouse. Open the book. Take notes. Sharpen the pencil. Erase the mistake. Highlight the text. Put on socks. Tie the shoelaces. Grab the bag. Open the gate. Water the plants. Pick dry leaves. Smell the flowers. Touch the tree. Look up. Look at the sky. Sit on the bench. Drink some water. Walk slowly. Go for a jog. Put down the phone. Turn off the light. Pull up the blanket. Close the eyes. You didn't study today, but you learned a lot. Your brain is ready for tomorrow. Good night.